Now I'm just inside the Family Harbor Lounge. This is exclusive for those in the Family Harbor staterooms and suites. What I love about this is it's a space specifically for families. It's a really nice upgrade option. So you can see the main part of it is a dining area. So you've got the full dining room area over here. You're gonna have Continental Breakfast every single day. They've got coffee, an espresso maker, sodas. I really appreciate they have those there. And then also you're gonna have my all-time favorite, soft serve. Let me take you over here to the side. This is going to be the family movie lounge. So they'll do movie night in here. You can come in here and take advantage of that if you'd like. You've got wraparound seats just here. And then as we continue on into the space over to the right, you're gonna find more of that family lounge. So you've got another movie setting area here, right? You've got a large flat panel TV once again, and couches wrapped all the way around. Tucked over in the corner, you're gonna have a workstation, and then I'm gonna take you right around the corner here. You can see why this is such a great option to step right outside your room, grab a quick breakfast, grab a quick snack, and also to have a space that's family friendly. I mean, the whole ship is, of course, but this is unique. You've got more dining areas wrapped all the way around the corner and a continuation of the beautiful decor. Now keep in mind, this is complimentary for those in the Family Harbor rooms, and you can see all of those on our tours of the rooms and suites of the ship.